Hi everyone, happy Monday. So I wanted to do a quick overview video of your assignments this week, and then as always, if you have questions, please reach out to me. So today is the 14th. If you are watching this, any dates that I mention, if I say the wrong date, it's because they've probably changed our calendar. But when I'm making this video, this is supposed to be for the 14th. So again, if the dates change, try not to let that mess you up. It's probably just because, with Corona, dates get changed. So anyway, overview for this week. Give it a second to load here. Here we go. So Monday, complete vocabulary chapter 1 through 3 and read chapter 4. So on Friday, you should have finished up reading chapter 3. You should have done those questions for chapter 1 through 3, the quotes. And so today you're going to do vocabulary and you're going to read chapter 4. So let me get off this for a minute because I want to show you your vocabulary. So you should see this. And this will go throughout the entire novel. So To Kill a Mockingbird vocabulary. And so here's chapter 1 through 3. So I didn't want to overwhelm you when we first started the book, so that's why I'm showing you this now. But I would recommend doing this as you read so that you don't have to do it all at the end of the chapters. But whatever works for you, as long as you're getting that vocab, it's fine. So again, it gives you the page number. If you're reading on the PDF, again, I'm sorry. But what you're going to do, use context clues to predict the meaning of the following vocabulary words, and then you will include the actual definition synonyms underneath when we go over in class. If you are learning completely at home, we're not going to be able to go over in class. So it's going to be up to you to find those actual definitions. Google it on your phone, get you a dictionary, whatever you need to do to get the actual definition. So, number 1, when it healed and Jim's fears of never being able to play football were assuaged, he was seldom self-conscious about his injury. So based on that sentence, you're going to put what you think the word means, and then you will look up the actual definition. And you'll do that for all the words. So chapter 1 through 3, there's one for 4 through 8, 9 through 13, 14 through 17, 18, 22, all the way to the end of the novel. So that is vocab. So you've read the first 3 chapters, you need to do the first 3 chapters of vocab. So that's Monday. And then once you've done the vocab, go ahead and read chapter 4. Tuesday, there's going to be a video for you to watch about characterization, talking about direct versus indirect characterization. So how do authors create and develop characters? Then you're going to create another identity chart like we did back a couple weeks ago, but this time the identity chart is going to be for one of the main characters in the novel. So you can choose. Pick one of the major characters because you'll have more to work with, but Scout, Jim, Dill, Atticus, all of those would probably be good choices because we know the most about those characters at this time. And then you'll read chapter 5. Wednesday, you'll read chapter 6 and then complete From Slaves to Sharecroppers. That is going to be a reading passage and you'll have a few questions. Thursday, you will complete chapter 4 through 6 questions. So that's those quotes where you have the quote and you have to explain it. You will read chapter 7, and then if you are able, you will watch the setting video. And then Friday, read chapter 8 and complete chapter 4 through 8 vocabulary. So this is an overview of the week. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Yeah. Thanks. Sorry, I couldn't figure out how to stop the video, so this is the end for real.